thunderstorm warning for
What?
northwestern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Newton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Social Circle, Oregon, 7 miles east of Covington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
Something sounds wrong.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Woo!
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Wait.
Locations and include Covington, Madison, Social Circle, Rutledge, Boss Creek, Hernando, Ebenezer, Hardin Creek State Park, Brick Store, and Appalachia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Wait.
Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the
Good God.
service toll free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.
Oh my gosh.